Hi there. In this video, we'll show you a quick workaround that lets your clients update their own profiles using Hubflo Fields inside forms. You can use forms to collect data from your clients, and with Hubflo Fields, you can connect form questions like phone, address, or LinkedIn profile to CRM fields. This means that any time a client submits a form and fills out Hubflo Fields, their contact or company record updates automatically. So how does this work? Go to Forms, edit or create a new form, click Add New to add a new field, choose Hubflo Field as the question type, pick if it's a contact or company field, then select the field you want from the list. And that's it. Give it a try and let us know what you think.